In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to update the look of text inside a PDF, Adobe Acrobat gives you a simple way to do it once you know where to find the editing tools. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right editing panel, select your text, and switch it to a different font. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to edit is already on screen. It's important to start with the correct document open so you can immediately see your changes as you work. Once your file is ready, go to the top area of Acrobat and click on Tools. This is where Acrobat groups together its main features, including the options you need for editing text and images inside a PDF. After that, click on Edit Text and Images. This will switch Acrobat into editing mode, which allows you to interact with text elements directly in the document. Depending on your version of Acrobat, the layout may look slightly different, but the editing option will still be in the Tools area. Next, click and highlight the text you want to change the font for. Be careful to select only the specific text you want to update. If you choose too much, you may end up changing formatting in places you didn't intend to. Taking an extra second here can save you time later. Once the text is selected, click on Edit or Format Text. This opens the formatting controls for the selected content. This area is where you can adjust how the text looks, including the font style. If you don't immediately see the formatting controls, make sure the text is still selected, because Acrobat usually shows these options only when active text is highlighted. Now look to the left-hand column and find the section labeled Format Text. Under that section, click the drop-down menu. This drop-down contains the available font choices for your selected text. It's the key step for changing the font, so take a moment to make sure you're in the correct menu before choosing anything. Finally, click on the new font you want to use. As soon as you select it, Acrobat will apply that font to the highlighted text. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can reselect the text and try another font until you find one that matches your document best. And that's how to change font in Adobe Acrobat. Keep in mind that some PDFs can be more restrictive than others, so if editing doesn't work as expected, the file itself may have limitations. But in most editable PDFs, this process is quick and straightforward.